Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating question, are we alone in the universe? It's a question that has captivated humanity for centuries, and today, we're going to delve into the science behind it. Now, you might think that the vastness of space makes the existence of alien life unlikely. But what if I told you that the sheer size of the universe actually increases the probability? Today we'll dive into why many scientists believe that the likelihood of alien life is high, despite the lack of direct evidence. Get ready to explore the mind-boggling scale of the cosmos, the latest discoveries in exoplanet research, and the mind-bending implications of the Fermi Paradox. Let's embark on this cosmic adventure together. So how big is really big? Imagine our galaxy, the Milky Way, home to hundreds of billions of stars. Now multiply that by 100 billion. That's the estimated number of galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy a swirling city of stars, many, perhaps most, orbited by planets. That's more stars than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. It's enough to make you feel incredibly small, right? But here's the thing about feeling small. It also opens your mind to enormous possibilities. With that many stars, even if a tiny fraction harbor planets, and an even tinier fraction of those planets can support life, that still leaves us with an incredible number of potential cradles for life. It's like searching for a needle in a haystack. But instead of one haystack, we have a universe of haystacks. The sheer scale of it all makes the idea of us being alone feel, well, a little lonely, don't you think? For centuries, we could only look up at the night sky and wonder if there were other planets out there. But in recent decades, we've become planet hunters. Thanks to incredible advancements in telescopes and technology, we've started discovering planets orbiting other stars. We call these exoplanets, and here's the exciting part, we're finding them everywhere. From gas giants larger than Jupiter to rocky worlds like our own, the diversity of exoplanets is astounding. And with each new discovery, we learn more about the conditions necessary for life to arise. What's even more mind-blowing is that we're just scratching the surface. With future missions like the James Webb Space Telescope, we're poised to detect the atmospheres of these distant worlds. Imagine finding evidence of oxygen, methane, or even water vapor. That would be a game changer. Now let's talk about a mind-boggling thought experiment, the Fermi Paradox. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, it goes something like this. If the universe is teeming with life, and some of that life is intelligent and technologically advanced, shouldn't we have encountered them by now? Think about it. Even if alien civilizations are incredibly rare, the vastness of time and space suggests that at least one should have spread out across the galaxy by now, leaving behind detectable signs of their existence. But so far, we haven't found any convincing evidence. So, where is everybody? Well, there are a few possible solutions to this paradox. Perhaps interstellar travel is far more difficult than we imagine, or maybe most civilizations destroy themselves before they can reach out to the stars. Or just maybe, they're out there, observing us from a distance, waiting for the right moment to make contact. Spooky, right? Chapter 4. The Survival Lottery. We like to think of life as resilient, and it is, here on Earth. But our planet is pretty unique in the grand scheme of things. It exists in what we call the habitable zone around our sun, where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist. Not too hot, not too cold. A Goldilocks planet, if you will. But most planets aren't so lucky. Some are scorching hot gas giants, others are frigid, icy worlds. Some are bombarded by intense radiation, while others have atmospheres too thin to support life as we know it. The conditions for life as we know it are incredibly specific. But remember, life on Earth has found a way to thrive in the most extreme environments, from the depths of the ocean to the boiling hot springs of Yellowstone. So maybe, just maybe, life elsewhere has found a way to adapt to conditions we can't even imagine. Chapter 5. The Chemistry Set of the Cosmos. We spend a lot of time searching for life as we know it, life that requires water, breathes oxygen, and is based on the same carbon chemistry as us. But what if life elsewhere is radically different? What if it thrives on methane, breathes nitrogen, and is based on silicon or some other element we haven't even considered? The universe is a pretty big chemistry set, and we've only just begun to explore the possibilities. Imagine alien life forms that are nothing like the creatures we see on Earth. Life that challenges our very definition of what life is. This is where things get really exciting. It's like searching for a new color, a shade never before seen by human eyes. The possibilities are endless, and the thought of discovering something so utterly alien is both thrilling and a little bit terrifying. Chapter 6. Hidden in plain sight. Here's another mind-bending possibility. What if alien civilizations are so advanced that they exist beyond our current comprehension? What if their technology is so sophisticated, so integrated into their environment, that we wouldn't even recognize it as artificial? Imagine a civilization that has moved beyond physical bodies, existing as pure energy or information, or perhaps they've mastered harnessing the power of black holes or manipulating the very fabric of space-time. If that's the case, then we might be like ants crawling on a sidewalk, completely oblivious to the skyscrapers towering above us. The universe could be teeming with advanced alien life, and we wouldn't even know it. Outro. Keep looking up. So, are we alone in the universe? The truth is, we don't know. NASA has been exploring the possibility of life beyond Earth for a long time, but has not yet discovered any life on other planets. But the search continues, and with each passing year, we inch closer to an answer. But here's the thing. The search for alien life is about more than just finding little green men. It's about expanding our understanding of the universe and our place in it. It's about pushing the boundaries of science and imagination. So the next time you look up at the night sky, let your curiosity run wild. Stay curious and keep looking up. You never know what wonders await us out there in the vast cosmic ocean.